2 of the lockdown, and the big development from today is that flight services, domestic flight services, are going to resume. So here's a quick run through of what each state has issued as guidelines for passengers traveling to their states by air. First up, Uttar Pradesh has said that all travellers to the state will have to undergo will have to go home quarantine for 14 days unless they are staying for less than a week, or if they clear the coronavirus test earlier. They can get themselves tested for the virus on the 6th day from their arrival and end their quarantine if the results come out as negative. Also, outsiders on visit to the state for less than 1 week need not go into quarantine if they can furnish the results of tests, and those tests are obviously negative. All passengers coming to UP will have to register themselves on the platform upcovid.in and furnish all details of themselves and their family members traveling with them. A message will be displayed on their phone, and only after showing that message to the CISF personnel at the airport will the passengers be allowed to leave. Karnataka also requires passengers coming from high prevalence of COVID-19 cases, states that have high prevalence of COVID-19 cases, to undergo quarantine for at least 14 days. 7 days out of these will be institutional quarantine. Then a test will be undertaken. If the test is negative, then the passengers have to undergo 7 days of home quarantine. Also, the states that have been classified by Karnataka as high prevalence states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The passengers coming from states other than these will have to undergo 14 days of home quarantine. However, if there are business persons or anyone traveling with urgent needs that the work needs to get done immediately, then they can show test results for COVID-19 that are negative and that are not more than 2 days old, and then they will be permitted to go about their work. Himachal Pradesh is only allowing entry of passengers who are natives of the state or who have a valid address proof in the state. No tourists are allowed. If tourists come to Himachal Pradesh, they will undergo quarantine and then be sent back at their own expenses. So the rules for people with a valid address proof for Himachal Pradesh is that the flyer will have to also obtain a district entry pass, and all Himachal Pradesh residents coming from red zone areas and those with symptoms of the COVID-19 disease shall be put in institutional quarantine. And like I said, non-residents will not be permitted to enter the state, or they will also not have any entry to any districts. They shall be immediately put into quarantine and then returned on their own expenses. As far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned, only Vijayawada and Vizag airports will be conducting any domestic flights, and services from these airports are only going to begin tomorrow, not from today. Passengers coming to Andhra Pradesh will have to be put under home quarantine, and after they undergo a test of COVID-19, they can be relieved from quarantine, of course, if the tests turn out to be negative. As far as Jammu Kashmir is concerned, all incoming passengers will have to mandatorily undergo institutional quarantine for 14 days. Kerala also, every passenger incoming to the state will have to undergo 14 days of home quarantine, but they can be released earlier in case they are in the state on an urgent business. Punjab also, the rule is all incoming passengers undergo home quarantine for 14 days. In Bihar, passengers will undergo paid quarantine for 14 days. Chhattisgarh has said that those passengers showing no symptoms will be either put under home quarantine or institutional quarantine or paid quarantine. Assam has also said that flyers will be on a 14-day quarantine, either government or home. Manipur, meanwhile, is going to any passenger who's asymptomatic, who is not showing any symptoms of COVID-19, will be sent for home quarantine. Anyone who shows symptoms will be immediately ferried to a COVID-19 treatment hospital or isolation ward. Also, in addition, Manipur has made Arogya Setu app mandatory, and only those with a green status on the app will be permitted to travel. Apart from that, taxi drivers who are registered with the Transport Department are exempt from curfew pass for pickups and drops at the airport. If private vehicles are going to pick up passengers from the airport, then they have to print the boarding pass. They have to have either a soft copy or hard copy of the boarding pass or ticket of the passenger, and this will be treated as the curfew pass for that time period only. These are all the updates today. Thanks for watching.